Hello, Class 11. I have one of my favorite books here to read to you. It's called Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. This was written by Eric Litwin and illustrated by James Dean. Ooh, look at all the buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with four big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. My buttons, my four groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Can you count them? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my three groovy buttons. My buttons, my three groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Can you count them? Let's see. 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my two groovy buttons. My buttons, my two groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? Can you count? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. Can you sing it with me this time? My buttons, my one groovy button. My buttons, my one groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What did he see? Let's find out. His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Pete says it's all good. I guess it simply goes to show you that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We just keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. I love you, Class 11. I'll see you next time. Bye.